That's the problem. And I see a lot of people making this mistake. So they're learning the cloud or whatever, and they get stuck on something and they just think that they can't move on. So, but listen to this. When I was doing this cloud and DevOps back in the day, I was also doing the exact same thing. So when I started learning things for the first time, I genuinely thought I had to understand everything before I could move on. I just come across a concept and just think, wait, I don't understand this. So how am I supposed to continue if I haven't figured it out yet? And I just end up spending hours trying to force something into my head that just was not ready at the time. And what I didn't understand at that time was sometimes you don't understand something because you haven't learned enough of the things that come after it yet. So you need context, you need repetition. You know, you need to see that concept being used in multiple different situations. And eventually you see yourself coming back to this and thinking, oh wait, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Now I get it. So it is completely normal. So whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is you're learning, whether it's Linux, Azure, Terraform, and something hasn't clicked, don't let that one concept stop your whole journey. So just make note of it, move forward, and you're probably going to come across this point again. And when you do, you will have more knowledge, more context, and more experience than you had the first time around. There's another thing that I want you to remember as well. You don't have to learn everything perfectly the first time. I know it's easy to feel like you do, especially when you're learning from a course, for example, and you might think, if I don't understand this lesson right now, I'm gonna fall behind. No, you're not. You're learning something you probably never encountered in your whole life, right? So of course it's gonna be difficult. I've been there. Today, I come across things, you know, where I don't understand it straight away. But the difference is, I learned not to panic. I know that sometimes the best thing you can do is just say, I'm going to come back to this. So if you're struggling right now, just don't quit. And most definitely don't compare your progress to someone else who's been doing this for 10 years. So just keep moving, learn what you can learn today, come back tomorrow. So you need to learn how to give your brain the time to connect the dots. Because sometimes the thing that you can't understand today will be the thing that suddenly makes perfect sense, you know, 6-7 months down the line.